Are you ready to unlock the next level of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a rapidly advancing technology that has the potential to transform industries and improve various aspects of our lives. As we step into 2023, the demand for AI tools is soaring, with organizations of all sizes seeking to leverage their power for gaining a competitive edge. In today's video, we will explore top 10 AI tools better than ChatGPT you must use in 2023. Watch this video till end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get straight into the video. Number 10. Lucia AI. Lucia AI is an advanced AI writing assistant designed to enhance writing efficiency and quality. It assists users in writing faster and better by providing dedicated tools for various fields, including learning, marketing, and coding. With its built-in FAQ section, it addresses common queries related to formatting citations, writing press releases, and more. Lucia AI's key features include paragraph creation, text rephrasing, automated email responses, code generation, code debugging assistance, and marketing automation. It streamlines the writing process, allowing users to produce high-quality content in less time. Number 9. Dall E2. Dall E2 is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that generates high-quality images based on textual descriptions. It represents a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. This improved version offers sharper resolution and can accurately match complex textual descriptions, producing images that align with the provided text. It has expanded capabilities compared to the original Dall E model introduced in 2021. By utilizing text inputs, it can create images for a wide range of concepts. The more information provided about the desired photographs, the more precise and realistic the generated images become. Number 8. Writesonic. Writesonic is an advanced text-based natural language processing AI. It functions similar to a chatbot, but offers additional powerful features. Writesonic generates responses based on the latest internet data and can even generate images based on provided descriptions. It is designed to be user-friendly, accessible 24/7, and available across various platforms, including websites, messaging apps, and social media. Writesonic leverages Google Search, enabling real-time conversations about current events, trending topics, news updates, and celebrity gossip. It also includes a speech assistant, allowing users to interact with it through voice commands for tasks like calling, texting, and setting reminders. Writesonic is a versatile tool that enhances conversational skills and offers convenient features for various needs. Number 7. Personal AI. Personal AI is an advanced conversational AI tool designed to facilitate smarter and more efficient conversations with business partners, coworkers, and prospects. It offers a range of features to automate responses, generate questions, and foster natural interactions. Whether you want to streamline frequently asked questions, set up automated email replies, or personalize messages for clients and customers, Personal AI has got you covered. Its user-friendly interface ensures accessibility for users of all technical expertise levels. You can access Personal AI through various platforms, including messaging apps, email clients, and social media, enabling seamless connectivity and productivity regardless of your location. Additionally, Personal AI boasts powerful capabilities such as booking flights, checking schedules, and organizing meetings. It even comes equipped with built-in tools like a to-do list, calendar, and reminders to help you stay organized and productive. Number 6. REPLICA. REPLICA is an advanced AI chatbot that engages users in natural and personalized conversations. Unlike other chatbots, it uses an auto-regressive model to generate unique responses for each interaction. REPLICA learns user preferences and provides authentic responses that feel like talking to a real person. With its natural language processing and machine learning capabilities, it understands human communication nuances. Whether discussing hobbies or seeking friendly conversation, REPLICA offers personalized responses like a close friend. It also functions as a virtual assistant, helping users manage tasks and stay organized. Engage in meaningful interactions and rely on REPLICA's virtual assistants to make your daily life more efficient. Number 5. WriteCream. an intuitive AI copywriting tool for effortless creation of personalized email messages, LinkedIn requests, blog posts, and product descriptions. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, WriteCream offers a diverse range of copywriting options, catering to various needs such as marketing efforts. With its extensive functionality, you can effortlessly craft captivating content for websites and more. Choose from a variety of subscription plans, including reasonably priced options that grant access to an array of features. Enjoy the convenience of built-in grammar and plagiarism checks, ensuring error-free and original content. WriteCream supports over 75 languages, encompassing English, Swedish, Italian, Hindi, Spanish, and more. Unleash the power of WriteCream to enhance your writing endeavors. Number 4. SYNTHESIA. SYNTHESIA is an AI-powered video creation platform that enables users to produce professional-quality videos quickly and effortlessly. It converts text into engaging visual content, catering to various purposes such as marketing, education, and advertising. Supporting multiple languages and accents, SYNTHESIA allows you to reach international audiences and effectively communicate across different languages. Its library of professional actor avatars adds a human touch to videos, with realistic movements and facial expressions. Advanced text-to-speech technology enables the addition of consistent and professional voiceovers in various languages. SYNTHESIA provides complete control through easy customization using built-in editing tools. Whether adjusting script wording, tiny animations, or adding elements, videos can be tailored to specific requirements. The platform's integrated video editing tool allows convenient editing without external software, offering flexibility for audio enhancements, captions, and special effects. With SYNTHESIA, users can create polished and customized videos with ease. Number 3. Flare AI. Flare AI is an advanced AI design tool that empowers businesses to create professional branded content quickly and effortlessly. With its modern and intuitive interface, Flare is suitable for designers of all levels of experience. By analyzing the content of your scene, Flare learns from your design choices and offers recommendations for future improvements, helping you create even better content over time. Its drag-and-drop functionality allows for easy placement of product images, enabling designs that showcase products in the best possible light. Flare also provides scene construction features for creating complex designs with multiple products and design elements. With prompt recommendations for colors, fonts, and design tips, Flare equips you with the tools to create stunning professional content in no time. Number 2. Jasper.ai. Jasper.ai is a platform that utilizes artificial intelligence to create high-quality content and visual assets at a faster pace than traditional methods. The platform offers a range of content creation services, generating marketing copy such as blog posts, product descriptions, company bios, ad copy, and social media captions. Jasper.ai is able to understand the user's input and generate content that is both accurate and engaging. The platform can also optimize the content for specific keywords or topics, making it more effective for SEO and other marketing purposes. Jasper.ai also offers visual asset creation services, utilizing a combination of AI and human designers to create unique and eye-catching graphics and images. By automating the content creation process, businesses and individuals can save valuable time and resources while still producing high-quality content that engages their target audience and drives results. It can help users create content 10x faster than traditional methods, making it an excellent choice for those looking to increase their productivity and efficiency. Number 1. Heyday. Heyday is an AI assistant that acts as a perfect memory, helping you remember important online information. By integrating seamlessly with popular apps like Gmail, Slack, and Google Drive, Heyday allows you to save web pages and content for later use. Its machine learning algorithms analyze your browsing history to suggest relevant pages for saving. Heyday keeps you informed about important events and deadlines through reminders and notifications. By leveraging its integration with Gmail, Slack, and Google Drive, you can save content and documents directly from these platforms, ensuring you never forget crucial details or miss valuable information. That's all for this video. We hope you have found this video informative and interesting. If you have any questions, suggestions, or experiences with these AI tools, we would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching our video.